What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, we have an absolute banger. I did not think this trade would go up as much as it did, but the stock market is very, very unpredictable, right? So here is the trade that we took. I took this long pre-market, and we absolutely sniped the bottom of this move. I fumbled a really big day, definitely, but green is green. You have to be content. That's what I keep telling myself, and I'm happy with the read. So here is the analysis. I said previous day low has been swept. Really like longs in this area, but gonna have to get good reactions to the sweep. Okay. I like the 3-minute here the most. You could see we swept previous day low. We had a really good reaction to it, and I just entered long when we closed over the gap, right? So once that happened, we hit TP pretty much instantly, one candle, and then I fully TP'd right here, which was a huge mistake. Huge mistake. You know, I did it for a variety of reasons, right? Why did I trim full? Number one, we were close to the market open, and you know, I just wanted to get my green before anything unpredictable happened. Number two, we were actually consolidating here before for a very, very long time. This is like 20 minutes. So after we hit TP1, we literally consolidated for like 20 minutes. So again, I was just relieved that we hit TP2, which was to the 50% level, and we had a data high right here. You know, I just wanted to get my green and kind of be done with it. So that's number two. And then what was, I guess, oh, number three was I just didn't have a lot of contracts because it was pre-market, because we got this kind of weird volume wick thing here right before my entry. I went a little lighter than I normally would have, and that enabled me not to have as many contracts as I normally do, and I just couldn't hold runners. So that is that. But really, really, really painfully after that, I mean, this thing just went to the moon. It literally just went to the moon. This thing went up like 200 points. Crazy trade. Crazy, crazy, crazy trade. You could just see how many people caught this with us. We got 44 emojis right there on the final TP hit. I mean, if we look at the profits channel, this thing is nothing but green, man. Wavy getting a payout. Here's my day. We got Sleepy getting a payout. There's one more. There's one more, but yeah, everyone's just stupid green today if you caught that and you took that with me. So really happy with the execution. For me, I just tell myself, man, like, look, you can't time the bottom and the top every single time. It's just not realistic. I could do my best, but it is what it is. We live and learn, and this is why it's so important to hold runners. So many people DM me and they're like, hey, you know, I get out too early, I trim too aggressively, I get nervous. This trade needs to be in the back of your mind next time you think that, because it's insane the potential on these runners, you know, especially when you have liquidity and you actually have areas that price can reasonably target. It's worth holding runners. So that's why I take partials. That is exactly why I take partials. But, you know, could have been better today. Still 3 for 3 green on the week. Tomorrow we're going to be live 8:30 for NFP. Tomorrow, and then Friday there is no trading, 4th of July. So have a good one. Take it easy. Peace.